Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Dhillon, Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of spousal sponsorship. If you are thinking about bringing your husband, wife or partner to live with you in Canada, you're at the right place. Today I will explain everything you need to know about Canada's spousal sponsorship program in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What is spousal sponsorship? This program is part of Canada's family reunification system. It allows Canadian citizens or permanent residents to sponsor their spouse, common law partner or conjugal partner to live with them in Canada permanently. Who can apply as a sponsor? To become a sponsor, you must be 18 years or older, be a Canadian citizen or PR, live in Canada, or if you are a citizen living abroad, you must prove you will come back when your partner arrives, not be receiving social benefit except for disability, be able to show that you can support your partner financially. If you were sponsored to Canada yourself in the past 5 years, or if you have been certain criminal charges, you may not be eligible to sponsor. Who can you sponsor? You can sponsor your spouse legally married to you, your common law partner you have lived together for at least 12 months continuously, your conjugal partner in a relationship for at least 1 year but cannot live together due to special reasons like war, religion, etc. Same-sex partners are also eligible to be sponsored. What documents are needed? Here's a simple list of the main documents from the sponsor: proof of Canadian citizenship or PR card, for example, passport or PR card; proof of income, for example, tax assessment, job letter, pay stubs; identity documents, for example, driver license, health card, PR card. From the partner being sponsored: passport, birth certificate, police clearance certificate from every country where they have lived more than 6 months since the age of 18, medical exam results done by the approved doctors, photos as per IRCC specifications. Relationship proof is very important. Marriage certificate if married, photos together, chat records from WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, etc., travel tickets, leases or bills, letters from family friends about your relationship. How much does it cost? The government fees are: sponsorship fees is $75, principal applicant processing fees is $515, the right of permanent resident fees is $570, the biometric fees is $85, the total is $1,245 Canadian dollars. If you are sponsoring a dependent child too, it's $150 per child. How to apply? Step by step. You can apply in two ways: inland, inside Canada, or outland, partner is outside Canada. Follow these steps. Download application package from the IRCC website, fill out the forms, sponsor and applicant forms, gather documents and translate if needed. Pay the application fees online. Submit your complete application by mail or online, depends on the program type. Wait for the updates, biometrics, medical exam and background checks. Once approved, your partner will receive a confirmation of PR, that is also called COPR. Inland applications, your partner can apply for an open work permit. Outland applications are usually faster and can be processed even if you are not in Canada. Processing time. I have made a separate video on this topic in detail. You can check that video by clicking on this I button on the top left corner. As of now, IRCC takes about 12 months on average to process spousal sponsorship applications. This can be faster or slower depending on application type, inland or outland, country of applicant, completeness of the documents and background checks. Always check the latest processing time on IRCC website. How many partners does Canada accept each year? In recent years, Canada has welcomed about 65,000 to 80,000 spouses and partners each year through this program. It's one of the biggest parts of Canada immigration system. The government is committed to keep families together. You may not be able to sponsor another person under Canada's spousal sponsorship program if any of the following applies to you. You are still financially responsible for a previous sponsored spouse. If you sponsored a previous spouse or partner, you are financially responsible for them for 3 years from the day they become permanent resident. During this time, you cannot sponsor another spouse or partner even your relationship with the previous person has ended. You were sponsored as a spouse within last 5 years. If you were sponsored to come to Canada as a spouse or partner, you must wait for 5 years from the day you become PR before sponsoring someone else. You are in default on a previous sponsorship undertaking. If someone you sponsored in the past took government assistance like welfare because you didn't support them financially and you haven't repaid that amount, then you are not eligible to sponsor again. You are receiving social benefit. If you are currently getting a social benefit money from the government, you cannot sponsor unless it's for a disability. You have a criminal record. If you have been convicted of a violent or a sexual offense or a crime against a relative, including a partner, you may be banned from sponsoring. You are in jail or undischarged bankruptcy. If you're currently in a prison or going through a bankruptcy that hasn't been discharged, you cannot sponsor anyone. You did not pay court-ordered payments. If you have missed alimony or child support payments, you may not be eligible to sponsor until you have paid them in full. Tips for a successful application: be honest, no fake relationships. If IRCC suspects a relationship of convenience, the application will be rejected. Submit all documents together. Incomplete file cause delays. Show clear proof of relationship, photos, messages, shared responsibilities. Keep copies of everything you submit. Track application online with your IRCC account. What happens after approval? Once approved, your partner will become a permanent resident. If they applied from outside Canada, they will get a visa to land in Canada. If they applied from inside Canada, they will receive a PR card by mail. Can you sponsor again or more than one person? You can only sponsor one spouse or partner at a time. You cannot sponsor another partner if you are still in a sponsorship agreement from a previous partner. These agreements last 3 years, even the relationship ends. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.